halimbawa, nag-offer na yung client doon sa bahay. Halimbawa, na-accept na yung offer. Paano kung nagbago yung isip nila? Pwede ba silang mag-back out?
Yes, pwede.
Okay.
Pwede. As I mentioned earlier, meron tayong tatlong condition. For example, nag-back out ka dahil hindi maganda yung inspection, may problema, or hindi ka na-approve ng financing, or nawalan ka ng trabaho, for example, for some reason. As long as meron tayong valid reason, pwede tayong mag-back out. And cold feet, yeah, pwede naman. Nag-cold feet ka, ayaw mo na, pwede naman yon. Ikakausapin lang natin mabuti yung seller agent. As long as mag-back out ka before the condition date.
Yes.
Para, kasi pag over condition date, baka hindi natin makuha yung deposit natin or baka i-demanda pa tayo. But I'll guide you on that. I'll make sure na alam niyo yung deadline, i-remind ko kayo, and pwede naman tayo mag-back out. Basta before the condition date.
Yes, basta po hindi pa kayo nag-sign doon sa financing waiver at inspection waiver.
Correct. Hindi pa ni-waive lahat ng conditions.
Okay.